There's a broken down shack by the railroad track. Little bitty baby cigars back.
Hello YouTube. I got some weird requests. So yeah. A friend of mine I haven't seen in a long, well, don't really hang out, went to school at university. Wanted a said he had an LED light, but see LED light's got a problem. See this little bracket on here? Well, sucks donkey balls. Like, it's so thin it broke. So he asked me, if basically said I'm always tinkering with shit, if I could make him a new one. So, me the wizard, master of nothing, jack of all. Was it jack of all trades, master of nothing? Well, me master of zero, just like tinker with stuff. Let's see how much of a pain in the ass it is to make a bracket. So, I'm thinking, yeah, I could probably do this. I'm gotta measure it and see. So, yeah. There's some of the weird shit I do all the time. I mean, I don't mind. I don't mind helping people out, because not everybody's got a million tools, and not everybody's got time to do this, and plus sometimes they charge stupid prices for shit. So I'm thinking, there's the piece here. I'm trying to see if this will fit in here. See, I was hoping that this would be wide enough. So I could do one of two things. I could try to stretch this a little, actually not stretch it, but grind it out on each side, cut it in half, make a bracket. Or I'll find another piece of metal. But he wants something a little more beef than, see how thin this is? This is like ridiculous. You make a nice LED light here, and you put like the world's shittiest bracket on it. But what the hell is to be expected to these days, right? Nobody makes good stuff anymore. They just make everything shit. So I'll try. So that's it for now. I'll go find some metal and see if I can make one and come back with a prototype. Hello YouTube, just cutting some metal. Uh-oh. I put a boo-boo on my table. Oh no, terrible. I got boo-boo on the table. Only boo-boo on the table. It's horrible. Don't want to get boo-boos on the table now. God forbid I scratch my welding table. Hope I put the damn shield on too. Okie dokie, look at that. Oh, we got a little piece of metal here. Take this need out here. Strong hand tools, people. Make really cool clamps. See if this works now. How big do I need this thing? I need it. We'll cut it bigger. I just put a dent in my vice grips. The horror. The horror. Alrighty. So anyway, that's my plan. I gotta find my gloves. So what I'm going to do is something fun. Any gloves. I know this is sharp. I know this sucks. Grabbing a hot piece of metal. I'm gonna deburr it and see how it looks. Probably drill a hole in it too. Anyway, I'll show you the finished product. Hello YouTube, I made the wobbly camera. Here's the, where is it? The old piece was like this flimsy, and I made a prototype just to see how it would look for a new one, but ran into a small problem. But basically you can see the, let's see if I can get this right here. You might be able to see the difference in thickness just by looking at it. I mean, one is a little bit thicker. Ran into a problem with this one, but otherwise it worked. Otherwise it worked pretty well. Went on there. Problem is I had to. The first problem I had was I ground this down too irregular and it doesn't fit right. So what happened was I made another one. So this one basically just fits in there perfectly. So there's just a couple of thousandths of an inch and just clink. It should clink it together. Now I'm gonna line up the holes. So the prototype one I did. See, I didn't do half bad of a job. See, it looks kind of okay. Still a little bit of mill scale, but got the holes okay. Anyway, that's so far so good. Hello YouTube, it's me again. This is the LED light that needed a little bracket here. Well, you see how thin this one is? I don't know if you can see it. See this thin little thing? Well, let's look at the difference here. So there's the bracket I made. This is the, you can kind of see the difference in thickness. This one broke off in the middle, apparently. I mean, look. Cheapo. So yeah, I'm done. I just gotta probably drill a hole in the bottom. They both fit perfect. They're not the greatest. Like, I'm not an expert at fabricating brackets, but you know, I made two little brackets. They're not exactly identical, but I'm gonna deburr them, make sure they're all nice and shiny. Take the lumps and dents out of them, make them look pretty. I'll give them a little rinse and some zinc oxide primer. Then I'll let the patient or the person who wants to paint them black, because I'm not running a paint shop here. I don't do paint work. Plus, it's going to take me another couple of days to paint it for them. And, well, you know what? A lot of people know how to paint. Painting's easy. So anyway, that's the little bracket work I just did. It's all good. Enjoy. Hope you enjoyed the video. And yeah, when in doubt, just make a little bracket. Oh, and what I used to make the bracket, I'll show you in a second here if I could find it. Threw it on the floor here. Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh, here it is. This is what I used to make the bracket. Piece of pipe, square tubing. It was the perfect thing, perfect size, and all I had to do was knock a few thousandths of an inch off here and here. It worked great. Anyway, hope you liked it. Enjoy. Welcome, and like, subscribe, and if you like Johnny Utah's Garage, just keep watching my videos.